Yeah, what you're saying, guys. Cooking with Keeves again. Basically, got some stuff like in the cupboard and the fridge, like left over, like what you're gonna do with it. So I got, butter, last little bit of samphire, pate, um, Monge two peas, a pepperami hot, some pasta, uh, a tin of carrots, tomato soup, salt, pepper, Marmite, some shaky roast chicken stock stuff. And here we are. I mean, you know, basically, obviously boil the pasta, and just basically chuck everything else in a pan, fry up, and you're done. And you pretty much got a decent meal there. That's gonna, you can eat some of that. You can chuck it maybe in a little box and save it for your lunch. And that's that shit. So yeah.